Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to withdraw money from PayPal account to bank account. So this is pretty simple. When you log in, of course make sure to register the account. You will see the home page on the front. So you're looking to go into your wallet, so press on wallet, and this is going to be your wallet from where you can withdraw your cash. So pretty much guys, the most important step is of course linking your bank card. So for that you press on this button right over here. If you wish to link a new card, you will get this new interface where you will need to insert the card number and of course the details, expiration, CVV, etc., street address, region and postal code. Then they will check your card. They will probably verify it as well. And once the card is approved, it's going to be in your account in here. As you can see, I already have mine. And after that, guys, you just press on transfer money in here. And as you can see, guys, of course, you now choose how much you want to transfer. You can just type in any number in here, for example, $100. So for example, I only have some cents in here, and you choose the currency and you choose the type of transfer, which is almost instant and 1 to 3 days. Also, you can check the fees as well. And after that, you just press on transfer now, and in a very short time, depending on which type of transfer you choose, your money will hit your bank account. So as you can see, just a few steps and you're done. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out, like the video and subscribe.